These mega details are finally here, which are absolutely shocking. From being delayed till October to the biggest performance upgrade, there is a lot to discuss. But first, we have the best, closest look at the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro's design, as well as some of the color information. It is done. Finally, Apple says goodbye to the notch for good. Since 2017, every iPhone launch had notch, and finally, it's dying, being replaced by the Dynamic Island now on all iPhones. Along with the Dynamic Island, we have the slimmest bezels on any iPhone ever. As for the size of the Dynamic Island, it is similar to how it looks on the iPhone 14 Pro series, but it will get smaller on the future iPhones until we see full bezel-less iPhones, but that day is quite a bit far. Now, other big things are confirmed as well, such as the USB-C port now for all the iPhones. Finally, any fast charger can now charge all of your Android, iPhone, laptops, and other products. That lightning headache is finally dying. They also changed the mute switch to the action button, so it looks a bit different, and you should be able to customize it and add any functionality to it. The sides of the iPhone 15 Pro series have titanium, so they're gonna have a matte finish compared to the glossy sides that we saw on the 14 Pro series, so that's a big, good design upgrade in my opinion. And finally, these iPhone 15 series are thicker and heavier than before thanks to a bigger battery. And no, the stack battery isn't happening with the iPhone 15 series according to the latest rumors. That is likely going to happen with the iPhone 16 series next year. Here are the rumored colors for the non-Pro iPhone 15 series, quite a bit of a lineup, and here are the colors for the 15 Pro / 15 Pro Max / Ultra model. The new dark blue and crimson red could be the one taking the lead. And finally, some big news regarding the Apple A17 chip. This chip is very important for smartphones in general because it's going to be the first smartphone chip to be based on 3nm TSMC process, so it's going to smoke every chip on the market right now, and apparently it's going to be the biggest performance upgrade in years when it comes to iPhones in general, along with massive improvements in efficiency, so even greater battery life. With all the good that is going on, we have slightly bad news on the scene. Apparently, Apple is facing some issues regarding the display panel production for the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max / 15 Ultra, which is going to be similar to what happened with the iPhone 12 series back in 2020. The Pro Max actually came out on the market a month later in October, so something like that could happen with the iPhone 15 series this year. So let me know what you think about this in the comments below.